Hey guys, Dr. David Jockers here, and today I'm talking about the 3 Ps to nutritional success on any nutrition or diet program. And so I see a lot of people trying different sorts of nutrition, lifestyle programs. Some have success, but it's like 10, 15%. And then you've got the other 85, 90% that are failing. And so the 3 Ps are critical. You've got to apply these no matter what your health goals are. So number 1, you've got to start by planning. So the first P is planning. You've got to plan ahead. If you're trying to follow a specific nutrition program, I'm huge on an anti-inflammatory healing diet that's low in foods that are gonna spike your blood sugar. It's high in healthy fats, high in anti-inflammatory foods, vegetables, herbs, different things like that that are gonna reduce inflammation. Well, first thing we gotta do is we gotta plan it out. We gotta know what we're gonna be consuming that day. So we need to know every single day, you need to know what you're eating, what your meals are gonna look like. In fact, to really get ahead, you should kind of have a meal plan for a week. And that's what my team and I really try to do to help you, is actually create meal plans, create recipes, so that way we can do the planning for you. All you've got to do is plug in and play. So that's the first P, is planning ahead, super critical. Second thing is preparing. So you've got to prepare ahead as well. You can't just have the plan, but you're also going to need to make sure that you're preparing for each meal. So that might include food preparation, cooking, going shopping, getting the groceries that you need in order to prepare the foods. It may mean packing snacks, something along those lines. Again, you should never be caught hungry without any healthy foods around you, or otherwise, you're destined to failure on the plan. So don't allow that to happen. Make sure you plan ahead. Make sure you prepare ahead. The third P, perhaps the most vitally important P, is protecting your own home. You got to protect your home and you got to protect your body. See, I see so many people that go on nutrition plans, yet they've got all these foods that are not going to help them accomplish their health goals, that are sitting in their cupboard. And when that happens, that's a recipe for disaster. Why? Because when you get stressed out, when you get frustrated, guess what? You're gonna know where those foods are, and oftentimes you're gonna go and you're gonna splurge on them. That's not gonna set you up for success. So I say protect your house, keep that a sanctuary, keep only pure life-giving foods in there, foods that are approved on whatever nutrition plan or diet that you're following. Make sure that it is fully protected, that you're not allowing junk food and things that are gonna cause inflammation in your body to be in your home. The moment you walk out of your house, you're subject to a multitude of temptations. You can't control the environment outside of your home, but the good thing is this: you can control the environment inside of your home. Absolutely vital that you do that. So the 3 Ps, plan ahead, prepare, go shopping, prepare the foods, make a meal plan, set yourself up for success. Number 3 is protect your home, protect your body. When you start looking at foods that are causing damage to your body, you should see pain. You should see suffering. A lot of the maladies that we have, a lot of the symptoms that we're experiencing in our life are a direct result of the food we're putting in our body. And so you start to see your body as a temple, and you see the food you put in your body needs to be pure and life-giving. And the foods that aren't doing that are not moving you closer to your optimal health, you need to see pain. And that's when you start to develop that psychology, you truly protect your mind, you protect your body, you protect your spirit, and your nutrition plan, your health goals, that's inevitable. You're gonna accomplish those because you've shifted your entire psychology and you've set yourself up with the 3 Ps for nutritional success. So go out, plan ahead, prepare, and protect your home and your body. And if you do that, I know you're gonna get amazing results. Would love to hear about your results in the comments box below.